Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can create an inward document against delivery challan in service confirmation. So suppose sometime you send the item from your inventory out through delivery challan. After that, if you want to take those items back for service, how you can do that and how you can create the inward. So first of all, let us go to our transaction module. On your left hand side, you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. So this is one of the service confirmation which I have created for the machine. So I will open this particular service transaction timeline. Now, as you can see, the service confirmation and delivery challan is created. I want to create an inward and take this material in. How I can do that? You will see option of generate inward just in front of the delivery challan. Please click on generate inward. Now, after clicking on generate inward, it will open the service inward document in front of your screen. So you need to select the delivery date. Delivery date is of 16th as of today. I can put invoice date, invoice number as per my requirement. Challan number, as because it is being generated from challan, so that detail is coming here. Accordingly, I will go below, and this is the material which was sent. Now I am taking it back in my inventory. So you can see here, if any additional item is coming, you can use the add item option and very well can go ahead and define a new item as well. Going below, as it is finalized, so I will use save and send option. In case you want to make any changes later on, you can keep it as draft, and then after editing it, you can save and send. So I will click on save and send. Once I will click on save and send, the inward document is created. I will click on view transaction in order to go ahead and check. Please check. This particular item through inward have been added in my inventory, and going forward you can create the GR and QIR document in order to see that how much is passed and how much is rejected. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while creating inward from delivery challan of service confirmation. Have a good day ahead.